UDP, User Datagram Protocol, one of the protocol available in the transport layer. UDP is a connectionless, unreliable transport layer protocol. It does not add anything to the services of IP except to provide process-to-process communication instead of host-to-host communication. Also, it performs very limited error checking. UDP is having advantages as well as drawbacks. The drawback is it is unreliable protocol. Still it has some advantages. UDP is a simple protocol using a minimum of overhead. If a process wants to send a small message and does not care much about reliability, it can use UDP. Sending a small message by using UDP takes much less interaction between the sender and the receiver than using TCP or SCTP. The user datagram format. The UDP packets called user datagrams have a fixed size header of 8 bytes. The 8 bytes are shown in detail, namely source port number 2 bytes 16 bits, destination port number 2 bytes, total length 2 bytes, checksum 2 bytes, totally 8 bytes header. Source port number, this is the port number used by the process running on the source host. It is 16-bit long, which means that port number can range from 0 to 65,535. Destination port number. This is the port number used by the process running on the destination host. It is also 16-bit long. If the destination host is a server, the port number, in most cases a well-known port number. If the destination host is client, the port number in most cases is an normal port number. Total length. This is 16-bit field that defines the total length of the user datagram header plus data. The 16 bits can define a total length of 0 to 65,535 bytes. However, the total length needs to be much less because UDP user datagram is stored in an IP datagram with a total length of 65,535 bytes. Checksum. The concept of checksum is used for error detection. So the UDP length will be equal to IP length minus IB header length. So in the UDP, it will have the source IP address, destination IP address, then the total length. Now it will have checksum. We will have an example to understand the checksum. So this is one particular example. For calculating checksum, it takes all the field values and it is calculating the sum. Then from the sum, the checksum is calculated using complement.